Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the page layout tab. This is the third session I'm gonna work on. First we talked about home, insert tab. Now I'm gonna talk about the layout tab. So how the layout tab works, how many functions and what are the uses of those. So let's get started. First one, you have an option of theme. In case if you have created anything in Excel, any table, any chart, anything, if you want to change the theme or if you want to set a particular theme, you can go to page layout and click on the theme. You will have many options, as you can see. So it's changing the color. Alright, so let's just take this one. So to change the theme of any particular chart, table or anything, if you're working on, that is the theme function is used. And number two, you got an option for color. You have an options also of the color. You can choose the colors for the particular table, chart, whatever you're working on. So let's take this one. Now you get an option of the font also. You can change even the fonts. Yes, as you see, the font is changed. It will change for the whole thing. Once you click on the font, no matter what criteria you have select, the whole font should change. All right, so it's all change. Now we go to effect. You won't be able to see that much. Yes, but this kind of effect, you have options here. You can choose glossy, inset, extreme, reflection. All right, so this is how it works. Now you get an option of margin. There are four types. There is normal, wide, narrow and custom. You have an option for custom margin. You can create your own, how many inches, top, left, bottom, and header or footer you want. So it all depends on you. Now it is actually a normal margin, because you can see as there is a line here which is a page breaker. It's like, all right, so this one is the line I'm talking about. So this is for one page. All right, so this is orientation. It's somewhat, I believe you know it, portrait and landscape. So this is landscape. Now you see there's no line here, which is for the page breaking. And now if I do it portrait, you will see there's this line here. All right, so it depends how you want to print it. You can even select from here instead of selecting in the printing tool. Now you got an option of size. You have options, many actually, letter, A4, more paper sizes. You can make your own margin, header, footer. You can choose sheet, page. You can adjust the size. So this is all you can do here in the size. Print area, you have an option for set the print area. Okay, so yes, so first you need to select the whole thing, and then you can go to print area, select the print area. Now this area is already been selected until here. You can see this line has been created here. All right, so even if you can clear it, all right, there's no more extra line is there. Now the next thing you will see here, break. You have option insert page break, remove page break, reset all page break. If you see insert page break, insert, all right, so you see that this kind of line for the page break, it will be created. If you go and click on remove page break, it will remove. This is for page break and reset all page break. Everything will be resetted. As you see, this line has been created, the previous one which was already there in the place. So now we'll talk about background. All right, so when you click on background, you will have options. You can choose from your own file any background. You can choose image, you can search anything. You can, if you have a OneDrive, so this is function you can use it to insert any picture. All right, so I'm not going to put anything for now. Now you got print titles. It's a somewhat same which says in the size. So you already know about it, margin and all that need to set. Here you can understand your width, height and the scale of the page and how to change it. It's already here set it automatic and 100% is the scale, so you can even change it. Now in the next option you have grid lines. You have grid lines, print, view. If you click on grid line, so as you see the grid lines were removed. Even you have an option in the print if you want grid line or you don't want grid lines in the print, so you can just select both options. Alright, same goes to heading. This is heading. If you don't want to print those headings, so you can unselect those options. So this is the grid line and heading. Then bring forward, send backward. This option is used for any particular picture if you have, but since there's no picture, so I can't show you how it works. So if you want to bring forward the picture on top of the text, or if you want to bring the text on top of the picture, something like that. Same, send backward is just opposite of that. All right, and selection pane. All right, so if I select the chart, yes, selection pane is used to select a particular thing, particular chart or any picture if you have, so to in case if you want to make changes. All right, as you see here, and now you got an option of align, snip to grid, snip to shape, view grid lines. From here also you can delete, you can hide the grid lines. All right, so you go to selection pane and close it. Once again you click group and rotate. Is not yet because it's implies to only for the picture. So that's pretty much about the page layout. There's nothing rocket science in this. It's very pretty simple. This is how the page layout, all those functions work. So guys, if you have any comment and feedback, please do let me know in the comments below. So that's it for this video guys. See you next time. Take care and kindly subscribe to my channel.